Hey guys, this is Abacus.com with a little guide on the number 10. This guide is going to help you remember what numbers put together equal 10, like 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, and other examples that equal 10. The number 10 is important in math, and new students should be able to understand how the number 10 works to go through high levels that use the number 10, and this guide will help them out. This guide is handy for new students to memorize different number combinations that equal 10. Once students know how the number 10 works, then using the abacus will be much easier because of time spent learning about the number 10. New students can practice with the number 10 by counting on their fingers like you see in figure A. Students just count the missing fingers needed to have 10 fingers in total. We recommend this for new students to get used to how the number 10 works and also to get them ready for the abacus when they start using it. If or when a student can solve for 10 without using their fingers, they can try to solve for 10 mentally like you see in figure B. Knowing how the number 10 works is key for students to do well, and with enough practice it will be possible. Thank you for watching our video on the number 10. See you next time.